Happy 2018, everyone. I'm meteorologist Susie Martin with your severe outlook. We don't have much in the way of severe weather to talk about, nor any major storms in our very immediate future. Really, the big story is this cold. A lot of us are feeling this frigid situation here, bringing in the new year to dangerously cold conditions. A lot of the U.S. is impacted by this, and we do have a developing nor'easter that may be a bit of a concern later this week. But here's a look at our high temperatures today across the country, so you can see how frigid things are. Highs only in the single digits from Billings all the way to St. Louis. Some of the wind chill values down to 30, 40 degrees below zero in some cases this morning. And in fact, in parts of eastern Montana, down to 50 below zero. So it's really been incredibly cold, especially when you factor in the wind chill, and this cold extending all the way down to the south. Atlanta, for example, barely getting to around freezing. So these temperatures are running about 20 to 30 degrees below the average. Dangerously cold conditions for many. Wind chill advisories are in effect for a good portion of the country. And this Arctic air mass continues to swirl about. It's a big trough of low pressure that's continuing to allow that Arctic air to funnel southward. It seems to ease a little bit into our Tuesday and Wednesday, but then we get another reinforcing shot of cold air that will once again knock down the temperatures, which is actually going to keep this very cold pattern in place through the end of this week. Now, as far as precipitation is concerned, lake effect snow is continuing to be a problem for Michigan and into areas like Pennsylvania and upstate New York. That will actually begin to settle down a bit as we move into the day tomorrow and Wednesday as the winds shift a bit. So that's going to help improve the situation there. We don't otherwise have any big storms in our immediate future, but into our Thursday, we're monitoring the development of a nor'easter potentially, and how close it is to shore could have some big impacts across the coastline in the northeast, maybe snow and very high winds. That's something that we'll continue to monitor right here.